these are the bearded irises from Strider's Garden out in Oregon, and when you plant these, and FYI, I'm not normally in my pajamas, but my son is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up, so we're just gonna have to deal with this look. So you plant the rhizomes right below the dirt, but you do not want to plant the green part here below the dirt. And then another important thing with irises is you don't want to overwater them. Less water is better than overwatering them because you'll likely cause root rot. All right, let's get started planting. We didn't want to till the ground, so we just put cardboard boxes underneath, put a large layer of compost completely all over the circle, and then right in the center we dumped out 5 bags of dirt to make a mound. Of planting these is you want to do them 12 to 24 inches apart in spacing. If you do them 12 inches apart, you're going to have to thin them more frequently. So keep that in mind if you are going to plant them 12 inches apart. If you do them 24 inches apart, you're not going to have to come out here to thin them. I am spacing mine 12 inches apart, so I will be out here all spring thinning them out. I don't mind that. I love doing that. So I lay them all out to make sure the spacing is correct, and then I also pay attention to the height of each bearded iris as they tend to vary greatly, and I don't want them blocking each other's sunlight. Now that we're done digging most of them, I like to go over and check to make sure that every brown area right before the greenery starts sticking out of the bulb is visible and showing. I also want to check on the spacing. I can tell from this video that a few of them are not quite 12 inches apart, so I'll have to move a few of them. But the last bulb we're doing, which is also the tallest one, is going to be right in the middle. And we need to make sure that the greenery is sticking straight up as it gets fixed there. And then we put the dirt in around it so that the brown area is still showing on top. Watch this closely because my son starts to put too much dirt on it, which then means we have to take it out and dig the hole a little bit deeper. So this is a good example of what not to do. Remember to keep the top part showing. This is our largest one. It's going to grow up to 40 inches, and then around the outside we put the Boston creams that are going to grow 31 inches, and then there's a few more around here that are going to grow up to 35 inches. So we wanted to see that nice difference in the height from the outside to the center. And then later on we'll fill in all of this other area for our tulips and our daffodils.